Hi, I am Harshini. It's so hot outside, so let's enjoy Gudbud ice cream. Let's make Gudbud using 3 kinds of fruits and 2 flavors of ice creams. First, let's put vanilla ice cream. Then start adding the fruits: banana, apple, Chikoo, nuts and raisins. Now layer it with another scoop of vanilla and fruits. Woo! What a healthy way of eating fruits and having fun at the same time. Now I'm going to add my favorite mango ice cream. You can add your favorite flavor. Enjoy! Happy summer everyone! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Harshini's Recreations.